What's up, bitches? This is my first video on this channel, and I have no idea what the fuck to do with it, so I'm gonna just do this. Today, I went shopping. Who doesn't like shopping? It's, back to school shopping. I'm gonna just do it. As you can see, probably right there, I got all the bags. Ignore everything else, literally everything. So I'm starting off with what I got from Forever 21. I'm just gonna put it on and explain it while it's on because I don't know. Okay. So first thing I got is this Fruit of the Loom hoodie, or not hoodie, but sweatshirt. I don't know, I like it. It's Fruit of the Loom, and it's really warm and nice and good for school because my school is fucking freezing. This thing my mom hates, but I love it. It's my favorite color, and it says, I don't know what that says, but it's PlayStation, and the back is really cool. So I got these biker shorts because I really wanted biker shorts, and I really like these ones. I don't know what they say there. I don't know what that is, or what that is. It's K-Swiss. That's what that is. But biker shorts, I just really wanted a pair, so I got a pair. I got this shirt from American Eagle. It's not really my style, not something I would wear, but like, my mom wanted it for picture day for school. Fuck picture day. So the next thing I got is this white ruched top. I think that's what it's called. I don't really know, but I think it's really cute. It's really different from anything that I have or that I wear, but I feel like it's really pretty and really dainty. Oh yeah, this is from Garage, by the way. Okay, so these shorts are also from Garage. I don't know how much they were. This is kind of a cute outfit right here, though. Kind of. I seriously doubt that I'll actually wear this out in public, but like, yeah, the shorts pretty cute, pretty cute. Next is these jeans from Aeropostale. They're cute, but I wish that they were more high rise. Definitely won't be wearing it with a cropped shirt. Got this from Aeropostale. I got it from the men's. Got it from the men's section. It's very big, but that's good because my school is fucking freezing, as I've already said. So, yeah, next thing. This shirt does not look good with these jeans. But I got this from Gordman's for like $15. And I really like it, and it's really nice for $15, so I'm a trendy bitch. Got this bralette from Victoria's Secret. Basically, I knew right away that I really liked it, so next thing I got is socks, because I freaking love socks, and they had a good deal on them. So I got these ones with like palm trees and coconuts on them, and then there's plain pink and then white ones. And then this one has freaking dogs on it. I love dogs. Dogs, and pink. And then I got these flower ones. It's got these flowers and these flowers. Okay, so that's it for this video. I know it's not very long, but it's like, it's okay, you know. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you do, please subscribe, leave a like, and adios.